Strong people don't wait for a better life. They build it, not with talk, not with luck, but with daily habits that forge discipline, clarity, and unstoppable momentum. These aren't just routines. They're alpha habits, and if you adopt them, your life will never be the same. Let's break down the 10 things strong people do every single day. Number 1. They start early, on purpose. The strong don't just wake up, they rise with intention. Before the world demands from them, they give to themselves peace, clarity, control. Alpha mindset begins in silence before the noise. They master their morning. They don't touch their phones first. They touch their mind, their body. They own the first hour, so the rest doesn't own them. Number 3, they write their goals. Every day, not just once a year, every single day. Strong people don't let life drift. They anchor it with clarity. Where am I going? What must I do today to move closer? They move their body. Discipline lives in the body. They sweat daily, not for looks, but for control. Motion fuels mindset. Pain sharpens purpose, and a strong body builds an unshakable mind. 5, they attack the hardest task. First, no procrastination, no scrolling. Strong people lean into resistance early. They eat the frog. They earn momentum before the world even wakes up. 6, they protect their energy. Not every invitation is an opportunity. Strong people say no, often, to drama, to gossip, to useless notifications. They don't entertain chaos. They guard their peace. 7, they speak power into themselves. They don't wait for compliments. They command confidence. I am built for this. I execute. I don't break. What you tell yourself, you become. 8, they embrace solitude. Alphas recharge alone. Silence isn't lonely, it's sacred. It's where clarity lives, where the mind resets, where future leaders are born. 9, they end with review. Strong people don't just live, they measure it. What worked today? What did I avoid? What did I conquer? No guesswork, just growth. 10, they commit again. Tomorrow. Winners know success isn't permanent. Discipline isn't done. You recommit daily, one day at a time, one choice at a time, one battle at a time. The alpha mindset isn't gifted. It's forged in routines, in resistance, in relentless self-mastery. You don't need permission. You need a standard. These habits are the blueprint. All that's missing is your decision to begin. Liked what you just heard? Then don't just scroll, subscribe. Drop a comment with, "I'm building the alpha," if you're ready to level up, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Because mindset spreads, and so does strength. Let's build together.